amaNdebele amakhanda awasebenzi.
Basijwayela kahle.
Lento yabo ukuthi banobuZulu phakathi ayizukusebenza. Ayizukusebenza ngoba sibaqala la eKZN ilento esidine kakhulu ngapha. Ababoni baya ngokusinyanyisa. Thina sinakho ukuthi thina abantwana bakaMzilikazi kwenzakalani okusalayo abekho la eSouth Africa. Futhi asihlanziswe yilutho thina nabo. Uyayizwa lonto leyo. Baphuma ngoba bona belibona ilungelo lokuba yiSouth African ukuthi alibafanele. Baphuma eSouth Africa. Yabo angeke baze babuyela sebezokwenza yonke icrime bazokhuluma ukuthanda kwabo. Bafike lapha bangawahlonipha amashona le phezulu, abangahlonipha amashona, abangazithoba phambi kwamashona. Kwaze kwenzeka zonke lezi zinto kumanje ababuyisani namashona lapha. Bagijima beza la eSouth Africa. Mebefika la eSouth Africa boyi2 bayadelela. Badelela thina ama-citizens of the country. Uma kuthiwa madoda aphindelana emuva bathi hayi siyizingane nathi, siyizingane zakhona la ekhayeni, siyizingane lapha zakhona ekhayeni nathi si-connected to Zululand. But mabahlangana nawe ebusuku drive imoto yakho or whatever befana ukubamba inkunzi, these people back-analyze as a citizen of the country, they don't care. You understand? So laba baseZimbabwe kwakufanele ngelinye ilanga ngibahleplela ihistory yabo because amakhanda abo wasile. Kwakufanele because i-current yabo beyilokhunjana beyisanshiniwe. Kwakufanele ukuthi bona basebenzise irandi. But because of ukusebenzisa kwabo irandi bekubenefitisa iSouth Africa bathi bona ngeke bazi bakwenze lokho. Ukuthi bangakhuphula iSouth Africa. ISouth Africa ithi ayisebenzisana i-current yethu. Thina sizozama ukuthi nina ngoba libenicindezela ngerandi, at least man trader nithenga ngerandi nizokwazi izinto zenitho cheap. Nizokwazi ukuthi ningalimali bala abantu baseZimbabwe. Wali uhulumeni waseZimbabwe. Even today ucelwe kahle kwathiwa kunabantu bakha base-South Africa more than 5 million. I-health sector ine-strain. Ayikho yini into ofuna ukucompensate ngayo. Wathini yena? Wathi yena akathumanga umuntu eSouth Africa because labantu laba abafuni responsibility. Always abantu baseZimbabwe mawukhuluma nabo uthi abathatha i-responsibility abayifuni.
Yazi bathi mathi man. Yazi
yebo futhi.
Thina sibanjwa kabuhlungu. Thina nathi sibanjwe kabuhlungu la. Sibanjwe kabuhlungu. Msebenza ukho la. Uke wangibona ngiya eMadagascar mina ngiswima ulwandle lonke. Ngihlala la, ngenza iplani la.
Ukuthi wona bafo inkinga yalabantu batshe bahlaniphe kakhulu. Bayizilima kakhulu. Just buka nje futhi mphuthu wami bahluleka ukusebenzisa irandi elizosiza bona. Today balambile izinto ziyabashaya because abafunanga ukusiza iSouth Africa because kwakuzofanele kubenefit iSouth Africa. Umgabe kwakufana asize iSouth Africa bembuza laphana wathi iSouth Africa ayisize yona. Angithi kusho umgabe wathi mina ngene lapho abayisize bona. So uma ithi South Africa futhi iyeza ithi kubola lani madoda siyabona ukuthi ngixakekile kanje yenzani kanje abafuni.
Hayi Tambo behave ne. Tambo behave ne. I didn't give him a timer because we're listening to him and the 38 people are listening to him. You are here as a favor. You are a refugee in this panel. Wait. Be patient. You can either drop. We can get another smarter patriot better than you. Go on, Madumane.
Uyabona wona bhuti wami lento le abanokuyenza futhi le iphukuphuku lezi. Banokubatshela ukuthi le education system yabo iyona kuphela angazi ene vocabulary angazi enjani. Bafike la bazosifundisa ngeconstitution yecountry yethu. Bazosifundisa ngehistory yecountry yethu. You understand? And njoba umbone ufuna ukujaha ukukhuluma lo angimazi thu yini uzothola ukuthi uzofuna ukungicorrecta akutshela how can you tell a South African history South African nge-South African history. You understand? Labantu laba banalento abayifunzwa abelungu ukuthi bahlakaniphile bona ba-educated. Kodwa angazi u-educated kanjani ulambile ubalekile kwenye indawo usaba nokuya ekhaya. Akunasibhedlela laphana, akunakliniki, bonke abafazi babo bamithi bala eSouth Africa bagcwele amakliniki. Umuntu waseZimbabwe, umuntu wakuphi lamazwe angaphandle mephindisele ekhaya ukhala ngazi ukuthi angazi usiwe ejele noma usiwapi. Angazi mina ngiyibona indoda ekhala ibaleke kanje isiwe ekhaya. Usuka kini ngawe uyajabula. Uyajabula ngawuthi ngihamba nini. Yena nje kuuye yena lo mewale sithi kusasa siyamhambisa ngeke simthole la hlala khona. Somthole balekile. Yabo kodwa bathi bona amadoda bayalengisa ngaphambili bachama bemile amadoda kodwa basabenye indoda babesaba umgabe washona umgabe manje sekumnanga wakho mengashona umnanga wakho bazothi basabuba because bahlezi bisaba labo osatha
bamkhuluma nanoma manje afile uke wabazwa bakhuluma bathi umgabe bekas angeke bamsaba kabi bamsaba nethuneni
iFreedom phela bayibona la eSouth Africa labo sathane laba leZimbabwe bayathi babaze basho kwabona bathi eZimbabwe ngeke uphuze kanje eZimbabwe ngeke kwenze ukuthi oqala la kona uganga nobusela okwenziwe yilaba kuphela okubanjwa bona bawe nebus laphana nenqabe yamaphilisi akade bewantshontsha
ngithi ngisho uNkulunkulu wasisiza ngithi wathi haleluya abantu baka South Africa imithi yenu iyahamba ithi sinibonise uNkulunkulu vele wasibonisa athi na kushephe
anyway na my brother nje for the last omunye umprofeti kwa profeta la because bona bayiziphuphu azange bamuze uthi le umprofeti
who's selling that medication who's selling that
awukahle wena uvala umlomo uthi lo mprofeti nina amazwe la enakhele eSouth Africa nisuka la nisuka khona nize South Africa ngokuba niswele nifike menifike eSouth Africa bese niyaganga eSouth Africa uNkulunkulu uzonishaya lamazwenu ngeke ayibone lenkululeko enifunayo because nina isandla uNkulunkulu afike wanivulela sona sokuthi nidle nina niphoshela phezukwaso azange bamuze lo mprofeti bengakenzeki lengozi yebhasi ziningi futhi ezinye izingozi ezilandelayo esazokwenza kuningi ukuhlupheka basazokuhlupheka labantu laba base-Africa bona laba nomakhelwane bethu ngani ngokuchamela isandla esibaphakelayo uyezwe abana inhlonipho ngeke umuntu mfethu afike kuthole ungena kudla ungena ekhaya kuhlalise bese wena mawufika usuzenza indoda
ingakho Bushiri beniskema ingakho Bushiri beniskema
usakhuluma kanje ubanga kona lokho ubanga yikho lokho
manje tisuse lo msuno la Lili isikhathi sakho ngikunike 3 minutes ukuthi ukhulume sisi yabonga ne for ukuba patient ne
Okay. I just want to let everyone know that we are not Zimbabweans anymore. We are in the process of changing the documentation from Zimbabwe to Mtwagazi. So whenever addressing us, say Mtwagazians, not Zimbabweans, because we are not Zimbabweans anymore.
Asinifuni nonke whether Mtwagazi whether
No, ngisaqeda.
Isikhathi ngithi ngiyakunika mina. Asinifuni nonke whether we Zambani
I'm not in South Africa. I'm a fighter. So right now nathi silwela ungokwethu sicela ukuthi inkululeko yethu nathi ingavinjwa umuntu because I have heard abantu abaningi like sometimes masilwa bethi ningama tribalist, why are you fighting Shonas? If ama-Shonas are a problem to us, we have to voice it up that Shonas are a problem to us. I'm not in South Africa fighting, I'm in Mtwagazi fighting for my land. So our strike is our strike. I have tried to engage ama-countries we have tried to engage ama-countries amaningi like Botswana, Swaziland, Malawi, Mozambique, and in South Africa sike sayiza amapati engikutholile ukuthi South Africa ama-South Africans most ama-organization wakhona akundihlulayo ukuthi anama-leaders we-ZANU-PF phakathi amanye ama-organization amaningi we-South Africa. So for now i-struggle sethu is our struggle nalabo abantu abazosisiza cause angeke vele size sizisize thina sisodwa kodwa-ke sizothola amanye amazwe azosisiza oBotswana, Namibia, Malawi, Swaziland and futhi for ukuthi umuntu mhlawumbe athi njengalabo bekhuluma ethi sisukelana sahlule ukuziphatha emashoneni. Thina iproblem yethu yaselizweni lethu komthwakazi yaziwa yithi, hayi khona ukuthi umuntu asitshela ukuthi sehlulekile ukuziphatha emashoneni kanjani, ngoba thina siyazi inkinga yethu esibhekana nayo. If ungeke ungakazi
yabona njengoba nihlule ukuziphatha khona la eSouth Africa, kusho ukuthi nihlule ukuziphatha le. Njengoba nihlule ukuziphatha bahluleka nje obhuti bakho ukuhlonipha bela eSouth Africa. Mina ngikutsheleke ku-WhatsApp wami ngiku-group yabangoni la sikhona inginobhuti bakho bekhuluma beyisholobona ukuthi le kini bafundisa iy'ngane ey'sencane ukuthi khula ube indoda uhambe uyoganga eSouth Africa. Kuyisholobona bethi kimi bazoshintsha i-narrative ukuthi mekukhuliswa iy'ngane le zitshelwe zisuswe lowo mqondo lo ukuthi hambe eSouth Africa uthola ukuziphilisa.
Basuka sebehlanya laba abafuna ukuba ngama-South Africans bayagula emakhanda. Bangafuna ukuba ngama-South Africans belelizwe labo.
Beqiniso basuke
hayi wena ungathathi into ozizwa ngalo ubususithi abantu bonke bathi
ngizizwa
kukhona ngoba ama-South Africans ungathi wena amaNdebele afuna ukuba ngama-South Africans ngoba usazi
ngifuna ukuba ama-South African vele
ngitholani ngokuba ngama-South Africans.
Angazi ngizotholana
manje phela ungakhuluma into ongayaziyo.
We don't want to be here in South Africa. We want
hambani ke phela hambani. If you don't want to be here hamba uye kini. Yini ungahambi uye kini I don't want to be here.
Let this woman finish her submission.
Aye, her time is
like I'm calling amanye ama-youth from other countries, Malawians, Mozambique, Zambians to i-struggle sethu nathi ukuthi basisize, cause asikwazi ukuthi sizisize nathi sisodwa, siyadinga usizo from ama-politicians. Sometimes when I come kuma-lives ngiyabe ngifuna nje i-political education most of the time, so I ngibiza ama-youth wonke ukuthi mhlawumbe know about there is a party called Mthwakazi Republic Party under oppression, under marginalization by the Shona people, are being treated as second-class citizens, who are being denied job opportunities. So our fight is dinga abantu abanye ukuthi basisize. Thank you.
Good. Umechisi ukhona, ipetrol likhona, kunamalapi nebhodlela le-Black Label. Mawuqeda lapho uvula umthombo ofana nedudula, ngithi nathi uyasibona sitreatiwa njengama-second class citizen kunamakwerekwere. Sibekiwa emuva. So yeah, now wenza khona lokho. Welcome Lucky Diof. The floor is
when I host, I suspect you are a foreigner too. I suspect so.
Wait, Lucky, Tambo. Utlwaela masepa shem. O tla bo nnyela nna. Umpita le foreigner o tshwana le wena. O tla bo nkakela wena. Sis, o sa ntlwaela matšhila wena. Sala motsono o wa hao. Lucky, go on. You've got your 3 minutes. Untshwantsha le wena. Sis.
Yeah, host. Yeah, now I'm not a xenophobic guy.
Mara wa move mo like wait hona le shatanyana ka mara.
Ask is ne ke lata charger phone e tla fela battery before ke fetsa submission. You know, my sister Lily, keep on fighting. Each and every country has their own struggle. You should get me a woman there in Zimbabwe. I just want to leave that side. To come and help you fight the struggle that side. You know, my sister, be strong. Even when you explain that you are not in South Africa, you have never been here, they still attack you. They just hate you, my sister. These people, they hate Africans with passion. Let a white person request here. Next. Now all I know, go you know, host what's happening. You know what's happening, host. The only people battling in this movement of xenophobic or fighting Africans, there are few. They are not even. They don't even make a.
Guys, let's use correct words, ne? Xenophobic, they take you out of the panel. Don't say xenophobic, ne? When you say xenophobic, they take you out of the panel. And it's not me, it's TikTok, ne? Bram Soko, welcome to the panel. You are the latest one to come up the panel, ne?
No, thanks, man, host, man.
Mara like bayas disappoint yazini kunabafazi abahle la eSouth Africa abanganamadoda umuntu uzofuna ukushela ikwerekwere nje.
Yeah, good morning to the panel and to the tappers down there, host.
Hello, Bram Soko.
Morning, good morning.
Sure, thanks, man. It's just letting ibamba emoyeni, man. The issue yabomthwakazi nani. It's unfortunately, man, South Africa, it's not that asifuni ukusupporta lamanye ama-African countries, siyafuna kuwasupporta yabo, but ungavela nge-tribalism, siyadidistansa kakhulu vele lapho, ungaze ususpect kulokuningi yabo. Asibeliveli kokuthi sive sinale tendency tribalism kungavela le hone tribalism no kithi vele asikhona lento kuyisupporta ngoba lo mlomdzala Desmond Tutu wayikhipha kakhulu la kithi kusanetinkabi eSouth Africa so ngiyo lenzaba noma ungithola ngilampumalanga ngiyakhona ukukhuluma Sotho nalamanye ama-language akunankinga ni yabo lokusho ukuthi we have dealt with it long time ago so into lekhi vele kubalekile ukuthi uma ulwa impi uma uku-revolution ulwe within akuna battle longake uyiwine ulwa outside your country ngiloko nje lento encourage nje mina kakhulu kwemaZimbabwean kokuthi ibattle man iliwa man within man and ngicela kakhulu ukuthi emaZimbabwean akasalanze i-background yalelinye likhehla lala eSouth Africa yabo ngoba ngiyabeva labaningi bakhuluma ngaMandela yabo asebazame kulandzela umlando waSteve Bantu Biko lo baka under BCM ngilapho labangafunza khona ukuthi ma South African citizens vele atikhulula wona within abukene ne-army le-strong kakhulu yabo ngiyaye ngibeve bathi eZimbabwe mani lamaphoyisa ne-arm ashaya ngephyu uma uthi uyabuta le number uthole ukuthi hayi kubalwa 2-3 webantu uyabo eSouth Africa ngaleso sikhathi ngelanga bokushaywa abo-130 but besingaye emuva besingaye emuva ibuye igovernment ibathathe lamanye ama-freedom fighters iwajikijele letulu kufloor
Sikhuluma ngegovernment emhlophe engabathandi abantu abamnyama.
exactly
Manje basaba ugovernment omnyama.
yabo nabo bangibofakazi bethu ukuthi i-revolution ye-uprising ka-1976 kuti organization labayatiko lekhona claima leyo victory kokuthi le-uprising ye-Afrikaans bobani baba behind kuyo yabo abakhona kuyati lento leyo yabo indzaba ngilokuthi abati le-BCM kungilokuthi abamati vele lo Steve Biko yabo that is why i-ANC ayikhona ukuclaima i-uprising ya-76 noma i-PAC noma ngiyiphi organization bantu labanelungelo lokuclaima i-76 uprising i-BCM kuphela. That is why in South Africa uma ukhuluma ngababe we-South Africa ungalendi liphutha ukuze sikwati ukuthi uyasadi kumele ubale Steve Bantu Biko lapho sitokubona uyasadi then songachubeka kubalela abanye but uma ungambali Steve Bantu Biko then siyakhona uku-understanda kokuthi awukaphathanga le history yethu but mina ngiyabakhuthata kakhulu bahlali baseZimbabwe ukuthi abahambe bafeyise tinkinga ekhaya balwe kumnanzi phela lokulwa witini uyakhona nalokuncedzeka yabo but ungathi uyalwa ungaphandle utoncetse kanjani ukulelinye live so isubmission yami leyo host
ngicabanga Bramsoko amatsotsi ayangena endlini yakho wena ujama phandle kwendlu uthi yanyalwa kanti itsotsi ngaphakathi ingenele lo mfazi wakho ingenelele ama-safe ayavuliwe
sizofuna usizo besingazi ukuthi ninje and if you are fighting racism
awukakanikwa vala umsunu awukakanikwa isikhathi sokukhuluma let's welcome Monafela Thambo ungacabanga ukuthi kune uhirishiwe egigini ne arawuhayara ne ukanofuluha ne awureserved mu
ninjani
sikhona Monafela
hayi siyaphila ngiyabonga kwamukeleka
usifonela from kuphi use capital city eliphi
ngise KZN ngise akunane capital city ke mina
uthi Durban ngithi
ya kodwa kude kakhulu kunami plus 500 kilometers away from me.
Beautiful.
Northern part of Natal mina. Hey bakwethu man angazi noma ngane kwithuba lokuthi ngiphawule ubaba uMsoco le ndaba ekhulumile ijule kakhulu ihambe ingithinte nami.
Hayi khathe ngesakho.
Okay ngiyathokoza futhi bakwethu yazi ngizwa nginokudideka okuthize nokuzulelwa umoya kancane ngani ngiyayizwa indaba yokuthi kunoxatshanwa kwezizwe nenhlanga ehlukahlukene ezikhona la ezwenikazi lakithi lele sekuthiwa eAfrika namhlanje laqanjwa belungu ngoba yonke into esikhona vele sibizwa ngendlela yabelungu ngoba azange sibe neAfrika kwale earth ekuthiwa earth azange be earth ngesikithi thina sintu thina abantu bakwantu kodwa ke into engizama ukuyichaza lana ukuthi ngizwa ubuhlungu ukuthi ubaba uMsoco mangaba ngenza iphutha uye wakhuluma ngeqhawe lamaqhawe eAfrika ngoba lento esithi Africa ngizothi iAfrika ngoba generally sibiza ngalondlela le noma ingasiyo
thina sithanda nje ukukhuluma ngeAfrika ningizimu yazi kodwa thina sithanda ukukhuluma ngeAfrika eningizimu angazi ukuthi bayibiza ngokuthini mara sithanda ukukhuluma ngeSouth Africa kakhulu kunale iAfrika ngoba iAfrika le bayasichambela amanga ngayo man ibanika kure bafa reason ya honama ene nare banyake wethi
no ka understand ukuthi mina
na
akuthi
kire Sesotho sa hawa sintsha monate byang.
Yeah, I've traveled 43 countries and I've worked in 26 of them in Africa, and I know all of the provinces in this country. I've lived and worked in all of the provinces in this country except this one that I'm originally coming from. So what I'm trying to say, Kore,
how have you been received? Sorry to interject. How have you been received in those African countries?
Valumsunu.
Wena Thambo desperate wait okuthule man.
Hayi waphaphela oy. Sis. Continue baba. Ungazojwayela sis.
Hayi ungamkwateli buti. ngamgwadela isikhathi sethongo manje akufunekanga imoya iphakame.
Continue.
So nakele ka hore we just have to be broad when we come to this type of subject. It's so sensitive such that you don't realize that it is the very stupid ANC that we warned you about even before the democracy era not to vote for.
Yeah, but Ramona Fela, can I tell you something? I am just somebody who was born in the democratic dispensation. Trust me.
Oh, okay.
I was born in the
Now I
democratic
understand.
dispensation. And I'm finding this generational problem that we inherit with these people. The people that we went to school with, in the name of, these people will leave. Well, recently we're just seeing that the ministers are continuously giving these people the reason to be here. The borders, it's a razor wire just sitting there. Now, for us as the youth, it is concerning, especially if you're looking at the unemployment rate. We do not mind going to the garden to work for the garden. We do not mind going to wash the dishes of the YT people. We do not. Like, I really do not mind, Monafela, to do your garden for 140. I do not. But the thing is, there is people occupying that market. I do not know how to print a CV today because I do not have access to that 140 that you have. Like, literally simple things that people do not realize. They tell us we are crying for crumbs. But Monafela, what I need is for me to be able to print a CV with that 140 and take a transport. But you know what they're going to say, Monafela? South Africans are lazy. No. How can we be lazy? We just need this money.
No, it's not true. It's not true that we are lazy. We are being marketed as lazy for that is intended to actually sponsor a particular political agenda. Let me explain to you what is happening. The reason why we have this problem in this country is because these ANC exile criminals formed these alliances prior to the democratic so-called democratic era, because I don't see anything democratic about this nonsense, because sizela abantwana abanjengani who are in the mess that you are in now, and we have no way. I've got it. My son is a dentist, but he's selling drugs. He's a drug dealer now, and I can't do anything about it.
Yeah, say powder.
Angizwa?
Say powder. It flags the live, ne?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, he's selling. Yeah, he's selling powder. You understand? Oh, ngiyaxolisa konje nemthetho kule ma platforms. Sorry, I'm a little bit old school kancane manje izinye zalezi mthetho yenu singakhona ukuyiqonda kahle because siba very emotional when we are addressing such things, because angikwazi ungazala ingane bese idayisa umbulalazo. You understand? Yet ifundile at the same time. So into engizama ukuyichaza ukuthi nizorasa nibangumsindo nenze vele bekuyinhloso yabo labo sathana baniphethe. That's why ubona bajikelana kanje namhlanje, ngoba thina sikhule nabo siyabazi. Mina, I've got friends of mine, 5 of them ababulawa ama street committee ngoba kuthiwa bayimpipi ngoba kufunwa abafazi babo, and 2-3 years down the line establish it was a lie. It's because uMonafela bekafuna umfazi kaMsoco, uMsoco bekafuna umfazi kaZibanibani, ubani uyabona lezi zinto zakhohlakala kudala, lento ze-ANC zakhohlala kudala aziqali namhlanje. So nina senithola seyibhlungu ngane senishaya ephaketheni. Thina kwakumnandi ngoba sasilala sidlile si complain senzeni, bese mawungabe unabangani bakhe ababotsotsi ukwazi batshela ukuthi yazini lo ngijwayela kabi lo ubulala umngani wami ambulalela umfazi wakhe, so naye asimbulaleni. And we did that, and angisole mina 3 of them got killed because of me. It was at my instruction ngoba ngazi ukuthi abangani bami bafela amasimba. I'm sorry, bafela udodi, ngiyaxolisa ngoba it's touchy this thing. So into engizama ukunichazela yona bakwethu ukuthi nizobanga umsindo kuyoze kubuye lo Jesweni mangabe ukhona. Angeke nenze lutho until labo skotheni beANC bakhipha. Okokuqala into ayifundanga lezi nezifundile zehlisa amabruzu ziveza ama-under njengale president yeni le nunu yenu enithi president uPopeye nje lo ovele ozoqedelela le program ekufuneka bayenze kunento ekuthiwa ihawala angazi noma niyayazi na it's an old system yokuhambisa imali laba abagcwele laba ama-Pakistan that's why baze baba nama-tuck shop even nasemakhaya and abenziwa lutho ney'nduna ziyathula ubona iy'nduna zidutshulwa namhlanje kanje zidutshulelwa leyo nto yama-Pakistan nalo bukhosi obukhona eLimpopo eNatali Eastern Cape buxeka nje buxekiswa yilabo sikhotheni beni be-ANC ngizonitshela nje iqiniso mina labantu laba balethwe la ukuba yi-army ye-group ethize i-ANC ihlukane kathathu le amangane wachange inabantu base-exile inabantu base Robben Island inalaba be-UDF abasala la phakathi abasala nalesikhohlakala bathu Alan Busak esizenza umfundisi kanti utsotsi so naye umuntu wepowder vele siyamazi sikhula nje phansi kwakhe nje aloka uthi umfundisi idayiswa ipowder igcinwa lapha esontweni lakhe so into iqiniso i1 nina niqhathwa yilabantu enibathembile nithi abazali benu la into eyenzakalayo inje ubaba la ekhaya yisigebengu umama isifebe ngiyaphela lapho
Sacela ukubuza omdala Nkosi yami ngicela ungaphumi ngicela ukubuza mawuthi ungasho ukuthi exactly ukuphi yona indawo ukuthi khona i-strength engifuna ukuthi uyithinte mawuthi iNorthern leya la kithi la KwaZulu ukhuluma ngendawo ezinjengakuphi Newcastle noma
no ngikhuluma ngawo Nongoma side
Nongoma i-reason ukuthi ngikubuze ngalezi khathi lezi zakudala ncese bahlonishwa nonke ngale khathi zakudala khona ubaba ngakithi wayekade ANC emkhulu impela kuPros balikhulu wabulawa lo baba loyo ukulandela kwakhe kwazohamba uChris Hani lo baba loyo after kuzohamba uChris Hani khona ubaba wangakithi khona le eNyanyado wayefana exactly noLukhunjana noChris Hani kwaqale kwafa lo baba loyo umngani kababa wami bamlokhunjana bamdubula laba abamhlophe yana said and baningi obaba abakhulu abakhulu kupolitiki ngaso sikhathi abafa impela kakhulu kuzofika u1994 kungaziwa ukuthi kwakwenze njani kodwa ngoba ukhona wena njengomuntu into eyenzeke uyibuka ngoba kakhulukazi thina singenzansi kwakho yabo kodwa nje ukutshela iqiniso inhliziyo zethu zibhlungu baba zibhlungu ngoba kuzibhlungu ngani ngoba siyabona ukuthi nalelwize ekugcineni kufanele siye ehlathini ayikho enye into baba esingenza ngayo singakhuluma esingakukhuluma semanje kodwa ekugcineni kokhoza ukuthi siphume baba siye ehlathini noma siye ehlathini siyobe sazi ukuthi asikho well trained but ekugcineni sizolifela lelizwe njengoba balifela ngaphambili isikhosta lapho baba njengamanje singayizama indlela zokuthi kanjani kodwa nje kukhoza ukuthi izwe siyolanda ehlathini ngoba ngevoti ngeke size silithole ngiyabonga
bonga mina nsizwa yazi lendlela ngendlela okhuluma ngayo ngiyasola ngathi ingane kaPhakathwayo wena uPhakathwayo kwakumngani kabhuti umtholiphu angithi ubhuti ngoba kwakubaba ya ubhuti vele kimi ngoba wayingishiya nje la
ukuthi i-voting system laba abantu singabakhipha ngithi masingavota amanye ama-party kuyakhoneka
ngeke bane policy yabo bathi you lose power it's your own fault that is why ithi nginichazele lo muntu enimthembe kakhulu enimzonda enibuye nimthande angithanda ubiza igama lakhe niyamazi uze wavula inhlangano yabaqumba phansi bamnika 100 million ukuthi aka withdraw le case yakhe because inobufakazi obuyinqala ngoba uye vele ubevele ekwenza lokho kwangaphambilini so niyabona ukuthi i-system enibhekene nayo inzima kanjani
ngicela ukucacisa enye into baba. Uyazi wayisho lento ekade wasengiyifuna. Lalelani laba mfowethu. Abeke bathule labantu bangaphandle sikhuluma indaba sasekhaya manje abathule. Ma South Africa akwenivuleni izindlebe. Lalela baba. Umuntu omdala. Yazi impela sikulethelwe inkosi. Uyabona ngathi isikhathi kuvotwa ngithi. Ukhetho oluregiwe. Yabo kwakhona system.
Kube kungaqali. Ngiyaxolisa emlonyeni. Ngicela nje ukucacisela before uqhubeka ngiyakuzwa ukuthi una umlando walonto. Ukhetho oluqala ukurigwa 2009. Before that azangelwa rigwa.
Manje ke into engimangazile ke mina kulokho eneza ukuthi ngimangale baba ukuthi i-system le icollapsile kwakhombisa ukuthi kunento something eyenzekile right i-MK yagibela phezulu kwentaba uyabo i-FF befana igibele phezulu kwentaba hayi i-FF yahlehlela emuva kwangena i-GNU khona malapha i-MK sayibhekile ukuthi MK izofaka icala izofaka amandla ukuthi hayi vele ukhetho oluregiwe nangu futhi nalo uRobert ukuvumile ukuthi bahlalele beyi-DA ne-ANC ukuthi MK ne-EFF ingangeni ubaba uJacob Zuma wavele wahlehlela emuva akangabe saba robust abe namandla ukuthi a-challenge athi full force athi ngizwe kukhothi yomhlaba ukuthi nina nilokhunjani even namasotsha asiyekelelile la yabo shuthi bonke labantu bakhokhelwe ngokusho kwakho baba
ubona lo dala esethule kanje bese iprepareile le case banongcuka iTobi bese babambisene ke lapho noma bengazwani kulokho bese babambisene nalomfana lo waka Ntanzi kunomfana okhaliphe kakhulu naye obased eCape Town kodwa udabuke Ndwedwe by origin uzalwa umngane nomza wami so bese bayihlanganisile le case nalo kwe-EFF lo bathi Godi lokho mfana kukhaliphile ke nako lo besebenza iClass A but kwaba inkinga yokuthi manje sekungenelwe 100 million and njengoba kungenelwe 100 million kuye kwasala emahlathini le amahlathi amnyama ke kwasala u90 million lo 10 uvele wavala nje imlomo yabantu abangayijwayeli imali kuyapi.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa baba ngiyakuzwa ngoba impela ngisale nami ngaphatheka kabi ngadwa